Okay, this is Chapter 9, Vocab 2. The theme is en el mercado. En el mercado means market. So the first two vocab words, un puesto. Un puesto, or another way to say the same thing is un tenderete. So that just basically means a market stall or a booth. So that's what these ladies are looking at, or that's where they are, and this would be the seller, these would be the customers. So over here it says, en el mercado hay muchos puestos. In the market, there are many booths or stalls. En cada puesto, los vendedores venden un producto diferente. So in each booth, the sellers, like her, sell a different product. Las señoritas van de compras. That comes from the expression to go shopping, ir de compras. So they go shopping. Ellas van de un puesto a otro. They go from one booth to another. Un puesto de legumbres, una verdulería. So you should fill in the word for verdulería. That is a fruit stall, or not a fruit stall, sorry, a vegetable stand. So the puesto is the stall or the booth, but we Americans would say vegetable stand. The first here are called las judías verdes. Judías verdes, green beans. Be careful to add the accent and somehow indicate on your paper that this word has an accent. The second word is las zanahorias. There's no accent in this word. Las zanahorias are carrots. Los guisantes. Los guisantes. Those are peas. El maíz. This has an accent over the I. El maíz, corn. Las cebollas. Las cebollas. That means onions. And finally, los pimientos. Los pimientos. That means peppers. So just remembering that these two, judías verdes and el maíz, carry accents over the I. And this word, una verdulería, also has an accent above the I. In fact, many stores end in ia and have accents above the I. The next slide. So, un puesto de frutas, una frutería. Do you remember what I just said about stores ending in ia and carrying an accent above the I? So this would be a fruit stall. You can repeat for pronunciation or just fill in the English word. Las uvas. That's the word for grapes. Las naranjas. Oranges. La piña. Pineapple. Remember, it has that tilde above the N. La piña. Las manzanas. Apples. Los plátanos. Bananas. So remember that plátanos has the accent above the A, piña has the tilde above the N, and frutería has the accent above the I, just like in most stores. Now we go to the supermarket. En el supermercado. Supermercado. Okay, the first group of words you see is un carrito. This is a carriage, un carrito, and it is lleno de compras. It is filled with groceries. So, un carrito lleno de compras is a carriage filled with purchases. Here we have un paquete de vegetales, a package of vegetables, but the adjective congelados means frozen. So, un paquete de vegetales congelados is a package of frozen vegetables. Here we see slices of ham, and I believe there are 8. 8 tajadas de jamón. Tajadas is the Spanish word for slices. Jamón carries an accent above the O. Here you have bottled water. Una botella de agua mineral. Here you have a can of tuna fish. Un bote, or you could also say una lata de atún, with the U carrying the accent. And then here, un frasco de mayonesa. Un frasco de mayonesa. Un frasco is a jar, and it's a jar of mayonnaise. So remembering that atún carries an accent above the U, jamón carries an accent above the O, and you can either say un bote or una lata for can. This is a flea market, what we would know as a flea market, but in Spanish-speaking countries they call it un mercado indígena. Indigena. Do you hear the emphasis above the I? Indigena. We have sold at these markets are things like tejidos, fabrics or textiles. Tejidos, not to be confused with tajadas. Tejidos are textiles. Artesanía, which is like arts and crafts, are things that an artist would make. Cerámicas, ceramics. And here for your feet, los pies, sandalias. So of these group of words, we have artesanía, accent above the I, and cerámicas, accent above the A. En el mercado indígena venden de todo. In an indigenous market, they sell everything. La cliente no paga el precio que le da el vendedor. The customer does not pay the price that the vendor gives to him. Quiere pagar menos. He wants to pay less. Quiere pagar un precio más bajo. He wants to pay a lower price. Un precio más bajo. En el mercado todos regatean. In the market, everyone bargains. Regatean. When asking how much something costs, such as fruits and vegetables, those prices vary frequently. You most often ask, ¿A cuánto están los tomates? At how much are the tomatoes? Están a 50 el kilo. They are at 50 a kilo. When a vendor or a seller asks you if you want something else, they say algo más, and you can say what you want, or you can respond, no, nada más, gracias, no, nothing else, or nothing more, thank you.